Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen, and today I'm going to do another short styling video. I want to thank you so much for all your positive comments and suggestions about my styling videos. I've had so many requests for them, and I really enjoy making them for you. So today we're going to do a really short video on how to create a fishtail braid. It's not difficult at all. It looks difficult, but it really is one of the easier braids out there. And if you like this, please leave me some comments below and tell me some other videos you might like to see. I have several braids I'd like to show. So today, let's get started on a fishtail braid. Okay girls, let's talk about how to do a basic fishtail. All right, I pull all the hair back into my hand like you were going to do a ponytail. I always leave this little fringe out. So you've got it all back into your hand, just like this, just half that ponytail in half, okay? So you've got that into two pieces, and basically all you're gonna do is take a little piece of hair from the left and cross it over to the right, and hold that, okay? And the hardest part of this is just learning how to hold all this hair. Take a little piece from the right, cross it over to the left. You have to kind of keep it taut as much as you can. Take a little piece from the left, cross it over to the right. Same thing, and that is all there is to it. You just do it over and over and over again. I just kind of smooth it with my hands as I need to, keeping this taut in the back. Just always taking a little piece and crossing it over. I try to hold that in the middle as much as I can, just to keep it as taut as I can. And this is a very layered wig, so in no way is this going to be a perfect fishtail because you're going to have these little layers, you know, that are going to come through, but that's fine with me. I think it looks great. So you can see we're starting to make our fishtail. Starting to show right there. Okay? And that is basically all there is to this. Taking a little piece from either side every time and crossing it over to the other side. Holding it taut and doing it over and over and over again. And it takes a little bit of time with these longer wigs. If you had a shorter one with a shorter ponytail, you could probably do it a lot faster. But you just take your time, keep it taut in the middle, and keep repeating that process all the way down. Makes a really pretty fishtail braid. I'll probably fast forward through some of this for you, so you don't just get bored with the same thing, but that is basically all there is to this. It looks always like it's a very difficult braid, but it really and truly is not. And you could do it halfway down even, which I think might be a real cute look. Just do it down part ways and then make it a ponytail and just let it hang. Part of a fishtail and part of a ponytail if you didn't feel like you wanted to do it all the way to the end. That's also another look, be cute. But you see, as I'm pulling it down, it's making that fishtail more taut. I just don't know how it could be much easier than that. It really is not difficult at all, but it looks so intricate. It's very pretty. And like I said, don't take too big of pieces. You can see how much I'm doing. Not huge amounts. But you do want to have enough to where you can see the fishtail being made. And you just continue all the way. Crossing, holding it in the middle, getting a little bit from the other side, holding it in the middle, crossing it back and forth, back and forth. Let me push this up a little so you can see it. I just kind of hold it out like that, keeping it taut between my fingers. All the way down. And like I said, if you want to, anywhere you want to stop, you can. I'm just almost to the end, so I think I'll take it on down pretty far. But isn't that pretty, the way that's come out? And like I said, here at the ends, it starts getting really layered, so if it starts looking like you're having a lot of pieces, you know, coming out, you might want to end it, but still looks pretty good, so I'll keep it going. I think that's about far enough. So take a little rubber band. I just have a little clear rubber band, and I will end it right there. And that is it. Okay, we'll try it on and see how it looks. Okay guys, here's the finished product. Let me show you how the fishtail braid turned out. It's really super easy, right? Now, if you have any little strands out that you want to pin back, just get some bobby pins and put it in there. I left, like I always do, some fringe out. I even kind of zigzag the part a little bit just to have a little something different. Let you have another look. Really easy. A super easy braid. You can do it in just a matter of minutes. And if you have a longer wig like this that you'd like to wear, this just makes it I think, age-friendly wig for anyone. Even though it is long, and like you know, I wouldn't wear it just long. It's too much for me. But if I braid it like this, I feel like it's just appropriate for any age. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of a fishtail braid, and I will see you next time. And remember, we're all in this together.